but we'll come next year.
Is next year, Pharaoh?
A good long while. But we'll come to the rich children tonight.
Really? Oh, how bright is that?
It's the light of the party.
What party?
The rich children opposite. We can't see anything.
I can't. It's for two little boys.
How silly you are. They're two little girls. Don't push so.
I never touched you.
You're picking up all the room.
Why? I have no room at all.
Be quiet and look.
And put that all around the table.
Cakes and fruit and tarts.
I had some once when I was little.
So did I. It's nicer than bread, but they don't give you enough.
Why don't we eat them at once?
Because they're not hungry.
Not hungry. Why not?
Well, they eat whenever they want to.
Every day?
They say so.
Will they eat them all? Will they give any away?
To who?
To us.
They don't know us.
Suppose we ask them.
We mustn't.
Why not?
Because it's not right.
Oh, how pretty they are.
And how they laughing and laughing.
And the little ones dancing.
Yes, that's true.
I've got 12.
And I 4 times 12, but I'll give you some. What is that? Come down, Joe, come down.
Have you the grass then that is singing, or the bird that is blue?
We have the grass, but it can't see it.
Tiltil has a bird.
But I can give it away
Why not?
because it's mine.
Do you think it is a reason?
Absolutely, my bird belongs only to me.
That's a good reason, no doubt. But where is the bird?
In the cage,
I don't want it. It's not blue enough. You will have to go and find me the one I want.
but I don't know where it is.
No more I. That's why I must look for it. I can't do without the grass that I see. But I must absolutely have the bluebird. It's for my little girl who is very ill.
What's the matter with her?
I don't know. She wants to be happy. Do you know who I am?
You're rather like our neighbor.
Not a bit! This is intolerable. I'm the fairy Berylin.
Very well.
You will have to start at once.
Are you coming with us?
I can't, because I ate only soup this morning, and it always boils over when I leave it for more than an hour. But I will give you a little magic hat. Where is your father and mother?
They sleep in there.
What were you doing when I knocked?
We were playing eating cakes.
Cakes? Do you have any cakes? Where are they?
In the house of the rich children. Come and look, it's so lovely.
But it's the others who are eating them.
Yes, but we can see them eat.
Aren't you cross with them?
What for?
For eating all the cakes. I think it's very wrong of them not to give you some.
Not at all. They're rich. I say, isn't it beautiful there?
There is no more beautiful there than here.
It's darker here and smaller, and there are no cakes.
It's exactly the same, only you can't see.
I can, and I have very good eyes. I can see
I
the
tell you, you can't see. How do you see me? What do I look like? Am I pretty or ugly? Are my cheeks pink or yellow? Perhaps you will say I have a cup.
Oh no, it's not a big one.
What is that out? You're wretched and pudding boy.
I can see all that isn't hidden.
I know there are people who say that they see nothing at all, and they never suspect it. Luckily, I always carry with me all that makes people see. What am I taking out of my bag?
Oh, what a dear little black hat. And what's the shining?
It's a big diamond that makes people see.
Really?
Of course, when you got it on your head and turn the diamond, you will see the inside of the things. The style of bread.
Can you
so
see the
wide.
size?
Of course you can! I hate unnecessary questions. Now, turn the diamond.
Who is this big red fellow in Mr. Smells?
It's dangerous. fire.
Good morning, my dear little guy. At last we can talk. Bark and wag my tail as I like. You've never understood.
Who is this gentleman?
It's the soul of Tilo, whom you have set free.
I'm
Good
glad to see
morning,
you,
madam. How well you look this morning.
Good morning, madam.
It's the soul of Tilette, who is offering her hat.
And who is this sweet lady?
It's water, just come from the tap.
What does she want?
It's the soul of sugar.
And who is it?
Tilt, me too. I'm a spilled milk.
I know the quiet carpet or the ring that makes you invisible would be more useful to you, but I forgotten them.
It's Queen.
No, my children, it's light.
Well, I'm bound to tell you the truth. All those who accompany the two children will die at the end of the journey.
Come, let's get back to the trap!
No, I want you to not forget.
Idiot! I don't want to die at the end of the journey. I want to get back at once! Where is my trap? I can't find my chimney. I got the need is a trap.
Goodness me! What fools you are! Fools and cowards too! So your drivers are living in your ugly boxes, in your traps and depths, and accompany the children in the search of the pure.
Yes,
at once.
So I will go with the children.
Me too.
That's right. Besides, it's too late to go back. You have no choice now. You must all start with us. But fire, don't come near anybody. You dog, don't tease the cats. And you water, hold yourself up and try not to run all over the place.
Yes, Mommy. She's getting up this time. I can hear her walking.
Quick, let us finish this time.
It was nothing. It's just the cricket children. They're sleeping quietly, and I can hear their breathing.
Come! Time presses. You just heard the light just said the end of our journey at the same time means the end of our lives. If you find a killer, you know or kill all and damage the definitely happen. It is our business to prolong it as much as possible and make every possible means. Listen! The cat is right! Listen to me! All of us here present, animals, things, and elements, so which we don't know yet. It is our interest to prevent a fighting of the birds, even if we have to go so far as to endanger the life of children of dogs.
What is it? Just say it again. To see if I could try.
Order! It's not your turn to speak. I'm in a chair.
Who made you chairman? Hold your tongue, but you inherit I shall interfere virtues, and that was none of your remarks.
But I quite agree with the water.
If you're giving about a game, I will melt you down. Don't have a guess to do it. Excuse me. This is a serious moment. Now we must decide what matches to adopt.
And I quite agree with the cat.
I can't take another one out of you.
I'm failing!
Stop it! This is ridiculous. There's man and there's not. We have to obey him and do what he tells us. There's one and only fact.
But give your reasons.
That nonsense! I love man and that's not. If you do anything against him, I will trample you and I'll do everything.
I'm sorry. Where is Smith?
He ran away like a coward.
That is just what I was saying to them, madam. I was encouraged to do their duty bravely. Unfortunately, the door
Run!
down, Silo, calm down.
You don't know, my little guy. It was she
Be
who...
quiet. Coffee will do, and sugar. Take the cake, please.
One moment, if you please, Miss Lion.
Yes.
I call all of you
bastard. So me by enough, no speeches. We will go up this way and or we go all alone. Are they here? You shall see them at once. How can we see them when they're dead? How can they be dead when they live in your memory? We will wait here, so as to appear to this great Savior, didn't invite us.
Well, where is it, Granny?
Behind the fog, we shall see.
I can't see nothing at all. I can't see my feet or my hands. I'm cold. I don't want to travel anymore. I want to go home.
Come, don't keep on crying just like water. You ought to be ashamed of yourself. A great big little girl like you. Look, the fog is easting already. We shall see what's behind it. It's red little Granny?
Yes, yes, so it is, so it is.
I have a notion that our grandchildren, who are still alive, are coming to see us today.
That's how thinking of us.
They must be here, and I see tears or just dancing before my eyes.
No, they're a long way off.
They must be here. I'm quite struck.
I still feel weak.
Here back, here back.
Tutil, it's you, it's he. Why don't you come to see us oftener? This makes us so happy.
We couldn't, Granny, and today it's only because of the fairy.
But we are always here, waiting for a visit from those who are alive. They come so seldom. Every time you think of us, we wake up and see you again.
Who are they?
Don't you recognize them? They're all your relatives and friends.
I see. Do you sleep all the time?
Yes, you'll play just sleep. But today we're here, and you're full of joy.
And where is Granny?
There you go, you're too old.
I want to dance.
I say, do you sleep all the time?
Yes, you'll play just sleep. While waiting for a fortune to come and wake us. Oh, it's good to see my life is done. But please also to come from time to time.
So, you're not really dead.
What do you say? What Jesse said? Now he isn't word to understand. Isn't it a word?
The word dead?
Yes, this was the word. What does it mean?
Why? It means what once, no longer alive.
Oh yes? Not bad, not bad.
It's going to change right then. Not a bit, not a bit. And Granny has to change a bit of your better looking.
Yeah, we can stop growing older. But you, how tall you're growing.
It's you.
You see what I said?
I don't want your advice. Was it Mommy who washed you? And there are no holes in your stockings. I used to done that at once.
I don't do what you want. I don't care anymore.
It's blue. That's the bird, the blue bird which has the same as the fairies. Granted, Granny, will you give it to me?
Yeah, spectaps. What do you think of Granny?
Of course, it's no use to us. But what is that?
Oh, I'm sure. Must be a clock.
It can't be. They never strike.
Because we look at think all the time.
Yes, I was. What is the time?
Oh, I don't know. I'm not sure. Stroke 8 times.
Might expect us at 9:15.
aware of.
Don't leave us like that. Come back every time, my children. Come back every day.
Yes, yes, we'll come back as soon as we can.
Come back every time, my children. Come back every day.
This way, Mitsil. Where is light? I don't know. The bird is no longer blue. It has turned black. Give me a hand, little brother. I feel so frightened and so cold.
There is no way.
Why?
It's a palace of light.
Sorry. I'm so burned out. What's the matter, child? You look pale and thin. You're such a bad mood. You are very risky. Have we fighting all the times again? In the snow and rain? There is nothing to do with the child. It's our secret. But this thing, I've managed to escape for a moment to warn you. But I greatly fear there is nothing to be done. Why? What has happened? I've told you of little Tiltil and the magic diamond. Well, he's coming here to demand the bluebird of you. He hasn't got it yet. He'll have it soon. Unless he performs some miracle. That is how matters stand. Light, who is guiding him in bettering us all, she has stamped herself entirely on the man's side, has learned that the bluebird, the real one, the only one to live on the light of the day, is hidden here. She knows she's forbidden to come here, but she's sending children, and if they should unfortunately wither out of the real bird, there would be nothing for us but to disappear. Oh dear, what time we live in? I'm never a moment's rest. I can't stand endless years. What you examine it? Must have to know everything. My ghost is safe to fly. I know one night, I know the times are hard and I'm almost alone in our struggle against man, but I hear them coming. I see only one way. And their children, we must give them such a fright that they will not dare to come here. What do I hear? Are there many of them? It is nothing. It's our friend Sugar. Water is not very well, and Fire couldn't skunk his related light. Here you are, my little masters. I told Night, who is so delighted to see you. You must forgive her. She is a little indisposed, that is why she couldn't meet you. Good day, Mrs. Light. Mrs. Light, I'm a Miss Knight, and you must say good night, or at least good evening. I beg your pardon, madam, I didn't know. Are those your little girls? They're nice. In sleep. Have overhiding yourself. But Issue, what's your name? It's Lipsy, sir. Better not mention her name. Why? Because her name isn't pleasant here. But let's talk something else. The cat tells me that you come here to look for bluebirds. Yes, do you know where it is? I don't know, dear. All I can say that it's not here, and I never see it. Why told me that it's here? Will you let us in? But you must understand, dear. I cannot let in let the first comer. Have to keep the nature's secrets, and I'm absolutely forbidden to deliver them, especially the child. You have no right to refuse them to men when he asks you for them. Who told you? Lies! Lies again? Always lies? Who does she, Everett? How does she?
But that was she.
Shall I take them by force and forgot?
Hold your tongue, keep quiet, and try to behave. Come, madam, let us see, please. Alice, where is it? Behold the diamond. Well, then, I will not be responsible.
Miss Knight, may I ask a question, please?
Certainly.
In case of danger, where is the way to escape?
There is no way to escape.
There is no way to escape. Wouldn't it be better for us not to go there, but see the keyhole?
Who asked your advice? Go away. Throw the diamond. Don't be so afraid. It's going to be okay. I promise you. Who knows that's the way to cross?
Not here! Look, there's a blue bird. I'm just here. Shall catch it.
It's mine.
Stop arguing!
Have they got it? No, they couldn't reach it. It's kept too high.
Well, have you caught?
Yes! Do you see it? Why? It's dead. Who killed it? And what crazy?
Oh, do not call our children. You didn't catch the one that is able to live abroad the life. It is gallows where we should find us again. And now, let's go with me, my children. Don't cry, my little children. We shall follow the light.
But where is light?
I don't know, but I think she's in the forest. And I know the shortcut.
To all the trees here present, greeting. It is a great day, a day of days. Our enemy is
My dear little miss.
What an idiot! Let us lose no time. Turn the diamond.
Man! Little man! We shall be able to talk to them. We've done with silence. Do you know them?
I don't remember ever having seen them.
Oh, you must have. You know all the men. You always hear out about their houses.
I assure you, I don't know them. They're too young still.
Oh dear, they come cut off my head and aren't perfect again.
Silence! The oak is in his palace. Looks far from the Elvis city. Don't you think he's not very old? Listen, he'll tell us all about it.
He has a blue bird. Quick, here. Give it to me.
Take off your head! In the oak!
Who are you?
I'm Tintin, sir. When can I have the blue bird?
Telltale, the woodcutter's son.
Yes, sir.
Your father has done us much harm. In my family alone, he has proved to the countless of my relatives.
Oh, I know nothing about it, sir. He did not do it on purpose.
What have you come here for? And why have you made our Susie their roads?
I beg your pardon, sir, for disturbing you. But they can't say it. And who the blue bird was?
Yes, I know that you're full of bird. That's to say, the great secrets of things and of habits, so that man may make our certain still harder.
Oh, no, sir. It's a very embarrassed little girl who is very ill.
You know, my brother, the nature of our business. The man you see before you, thanks to a thousand stolen from about of earth, is able to take possession of the secret which we kept in the original plan. This is a serious moment, and this child must be done away before it's too late.
What is he saying?
This is my dear young people. Shall I back him until God?
Strike him up! You want someone who treasures
It's
someone
a
else.
misunderstanding! I'll settle it. Send him away as quick as you can.
Yes, he's adorable. And one could hear wants to speak.
My dear God.
Mrs. Ivy, will you take him out, please?
Want him back? Are you sure?
On the contrary. I'm going to kiss you. Just wait and see. That cannot be
Now we must decide, is which of us shall have honor of striking the first blow?
That honor falls to you, our king.
Else, I'm too old, I'm blind, infirm, and my mind has no longer be me, not to you, evergreen, evaporate, to you, who is the most birth of these trees.
I thank you, venerable father, but I should be afraid of arousing the jealousy of my colleagues. You know, I'm more beaten and my club is no longer to be relied upon. But the Cyprus has powerful weapons.
Me? Are you serious? Why are you staring at me? Why? Is my wood not that of a child? And besides, just look at my leaves. And my scarecrow called to the side right this morning.
Cat, Tilo, where's the cat? Tilet, come.
I can't stop it, break my heart! Say it again!
out there. And music is better. All the games in this world.
I very badly hurt on the gut.
Nothing serious. As for Metil, they haven't touched you. But you, my dear Tilo, your paw is broken.
Oh, it's not worth speaking of. It won't show till tomorrow. But it was a tough fight.
I should think so. The oak has broke my foot. You can't see any marks, but it's really painful.
My Butele, did you really? Where were you? I didn't see you.
I should like to know which one. As for you, I want to work with you presently. It will keep.
Mommy dear, he's insulting me. He's trying to hurt.
Leave her alone, will you?
I believe we have to the further side. I ought to have it before, but the idea came to me like a rain from the sky this morning only, when I recovered my strength at the door. We're in the entrance to the enchanted palaces, where all my joys, all my happiness are gathered together in the church of fate.
Are there many of them? Shall we have any? Are they little?
Some are little and some are great. Some are coarse and some are delicate. Some are very beautiful and others not so pleasant to look upon. But the others work spells for the garden some times ago and took refuge with the mistress. What we have now to do is organize ourselves and take certain precautions. Generally, the creatures are very good, but still there are some of them that are more dangerous creatures. They're the greatest miseries. Miss Light. And they're so dangerous and treacherous. Oh, does it be better for us not to go there, but stay at the door, took it over a hand, tall little mouse.
Not at all, not at all. I mean to go everywhere with mindful guts. Let those who are afraid remain at the door. We have no need of cowards or strangers.
I'm not a coward! I'm not a traitor! I don't quite agree with you.
I'm gonna keep great fun.
They dance
All the time.
I have never known this most happiness. I should like to see some at last. Hold your tongues, who ask your opinion. This is what I have decided. The dog and sugar shall go with the children. I strongly urge Water to remain at the door because she is so precious. As for the cat, she can do as she likes, and I shall take the opportunity to call the tree.
And you like, are you coming?
Of course I will go with you. You can't cope with it without me.
All those gentlemen enjoy themselves eating such a lot of good things.
They are the biggest luggage of the earth, the ones that can be seen with the naked eye. Not very likely, but the bluebirds may have strayed among them for a moment. This is why we must not force the diamond yet. For form's sake, we will begin by searching the Spartans.
Can we go after them?
Certainly, they are not in nature, although they are vulgar and usually rather impressed.
What beautiful cakes they have!
Cakes?
And such game, and sausages, and legs of lamb, and cow's liver. There's nothing lovelier or prettier in this world. The liver!
Pardon me, I don't want to hurt anybody's feelings, but you're forgetting the sweet tea, which hold the whole glory of the table, or maybe anywhere else.
So please to take in the room and how they laughing and shouting and singing. Only they have seen us.
Have no fear, they are very ethical. They will probably invite you to dinner. Do not accept anything, lest you forget your mission.
What? The teeny tiny cake looks so fresh, so good. I should
Open your two eyes down to the very heart of your soul. She has seen you. She has seen you. She runs up to you, holding out her arms. It is a mother's joy. It is the fearless joy of maternal love.
Till, and Matil. What? Do I find it here? I have never expected it into my arms, the two of you. There is nothing on this earth that gives greater happiness. Till, had you loved me? Not you either, Matil. Don't you know your mother's love when you see it? Why? Look at me. Others, not my eyes, my lips, my arms.
Yes, I recognized it, but I didn't know. You like mommy, but much prettier.
Why, of course, I have stopped growing old. Each of your smiles makes me younger by a year. At home, that doesn't show me, but here everything.
How funny. And what beautiful dress of yours? What is it made of?
It is made of kisses and caresses and loving looks.
I should never have thought that you were so rich. Where'd you hide it? What's in the cupboard which Daddy has the key?
No, I always wear it, but people don't see it because people see nothing when their eyes are closed.
Yes, it's you. I see now. And there's a wedding ring you always wear. How soft your hands are.
And why?
And your voice is so gentle.
Yes, at home I'm very different because there is too much to do and no time. Now that you have seen me, will you know me again in my torn dress when you come back?
But we don't want to come back.
I will stay with you.
But I'm with you wherever you are. You came here only to realize and to know how to see.
I say, I will stay with you.
I have to search it for the blue bird.
Goodbye.
Where's sugar, fire, water, the cat and the dog? The cat and cat are here. They would know the future and would not obey. Where are we? We're in the kingdom of the future, in the midst of the children who are not yet born, and the help and loss of the clear is this region, which is hidden from man. We should very probably find the bird here. Certainly, the blue bird will be blue, since everything here is blue. Heaven, how beautiful it all is!
Life child! Come and look at the little life child.
Why do they call me life child? Because they themselves are not alive yet. What are they doing then? They're awaiting the hour of their birth. The hour of their birth? Yes, it is from here that all the children come who are born upon our earth, which awaits this day. When the fathers and mothers want children, the great doors which unites them there are open, and little ones go down.
What's that?
Then, this is my head.
What is it for?
It's to say how do you do it for when it rains or when it's cold.
What does it mean when it's cold?
It's when you shiver like brr, brr.
Is it cold or bad?
Yes, sometimes in winter when there's no fire.
Why is there no fire?
Because it's expensive and costs money to buy wood.
What is mine?
It's what you pay with. Some people have money and others have none.
Why not?
Because they're not rich. How old are you?
I am going to be born soon. Is it nice to be born?
Yes, it's great fun. What are you playing with?
When I'm a nut, I shall have to invent the things that give happiness. When I come on top, I shall be the engineer of a king of a banana. No, my dad. No, come on, tomorrow.
And who are they? Are they brother and sister?
No, they're friends. They spend the day looking into each other's eyes.
Why?
It seems that by not be able to live together.
Who says so?
Time to stand as a door. You will see when he opens. How are you, Dilty?
Hulo, how does she know my name?
Come, give me a kiss. I shall be your sister. Tell mommy that I'm ready.
What? Are you coming with me?
Next year, fun Santos. Come I'll cook.
Yes, it's not bad. And mine is so kind.
After that, I shall be tea.
It will hardly be worth Volcano.
We can eat lunch.
Are they ready for the orchestra? Once a time, once again. There are many more refused than I wanted. It's always the same thing. You can't deceive me. No, you. Go back and return tomorrow. No, you either. Go back and return in 10 years. And where is the engineer? Is it you? Show me your box. Oh, it's you. Come with me.
Mr. Dad, let me stay to that we should. Mr. Dad, let me go with him.
No, when the hour comes, it comes. Quick.
I shall never see her again. We shall be alone in the world. Asad, tell me how to find you. I shall always love you. Oh, let me pass. I will go and take these places. And my parents are all giving me to me so long.
No, you've got the proper time, the proper hour. If you listen to you, it shall never be done. One wants to go, another refuses.
And what is that? It sounds like other voices. Yes, it is a song of one who's coming out to meet them.
Who are you? Why are you here? Why are your eyes blue?
Tommy Diamond, it is time!
Come! Come! Get up, you little lazy bones. Aren't you ashamed of yourselves? It has struck ages, and the sun is high above the trees.
Why, don't go away!
Oh, why? Of course it's light. Mommy, it's you. Why? Of course it's me. Who did you think it was?
How is it nice to see you again?
I'll help you. What's the matter? Why don't you wake up? Don't tell me you're real. Let me see. Show me your tongue.
But you don't understand. It was last year when the way with meat tea, sugar, fire, water. They kissed and that's all.
Me? What are you talking about?
Good morning and Merry Christmas to you all.
Come down to it. Come down. A bit of fire for my Christmas tea. It's very chilly this morning.
Is it very barely?
Good morning, children. How are you? Very barely. I couldn't find the bluebird.
What is he saying?
Don't ask me, Madam Berlingot. There must have been something that wasn't good.
Tutu, don't you remember your name?
By the way, how is your little girl?
She can't get up. The doctor says it's something with her nerves. But I know what would cure her for all of that. She was asking me for a bluebird. My bird, where is it? Very barely. We've traveled to the land of memory,
To the night's palace.
to the forest,
To the enchanted palace.
and even to the kingdom of future.
But we didn't manage to bring the bluebird.
But we became happy. So take it off quick to a little girl.
Big weeks, some of them change their color.
How happy she will be. It's going out.
Oh no. It's gone.
Never mind, I'll catch it again. If any of you find the bluebird, don't put it in the cage. Because everyone is looking for happiness.
I hope there was a secret chord that David played and it pleased the Lord, but you don't really care for music, do ya? It goes like this, the fourth, the Your faith was strong, but she needed proof. You saw her bed and called the room, her beauty and the moonlight over Tsuya. She tied you to a kitchen chair. She broke your throne. She cut your hair, and from your lips she drew the Hallelujah, Hallelujah, Hallelujah. Alleluia.